Ladies and gentlemen, are you tired of struggling to make money on the platform? Have no fear, because I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool called Chat GPT and show you just how you can make a whopping $100 per day using it. That's right, $100 per day. So get ready to learn the secrets of making big bucks on YouTube, and let's get started. What's happening there, guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm sure you love easy money as much as I do, and believe it or not, you can earn $100 a day on your first day of monetization just like I did. And the best part? It's all thanks to the power of Chat GPT. Let me paint you a picture. Before Chat GPT came into my life, my channel was struggling. I had no monetization, no earnings, and no idea where to start. But then, I discovered the magic of Chat GPT and everything changed. Once I got monetized, my channel made over $100 in just one day, and now I'm here to help you achieve the same results. The first step to making money on YouTube is creating a killer channel. But don't worry if you're feeling stuck for ideas. With Chat GPT by your side, you can ask for 10 YouTube channel suggestions and have them delivered to you in seconds. From there, you can choose the topic that speaks to you the most and start creating content that will make you serious dough. Once you have your topic, you need to find a sub-niche within it. With the power of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT can suggest niche, sub-niche, and video ideas that are perfect for you. First things first though, you need to find your niche, and ChatGPT can suggest 10 YouTube channel ideas for you to choose from. Once you have your niche, ChatGPT can help you find a sub-niche by suggesting 10 subtopics. Then, you can dive deeper into your sub-niche by asking ChatGPT to suggest even more subtopics until you find the one that excites you the most. And now the real fun begins. You need video ideas, and ChatGPT can suggest over 30 video ideas for your niche to get you started. From there, you can continue to ask ChatGPT to suggest more and more ideas until you have a never-ending list of video topics to choose from. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level and start making some serious money, let ChatGPT be your guide. Once you have your video idea, you need to come up with a title. This is where ChatGPT can help you again. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest over 20 YouTube video titles for your video idea, and it will give you a list of 20 YouTube video titles to choose from. Each video title is actually a video idea, so you can make a video for each of them. And now that you have your video title, it's time to create your video. You can use any video editing software that you like, and you don't need any fancy equipment for it. You can use your smartphone to record your videos if you want. Once you've created your video, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Make sure you optimize your video for SEO by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. This will help your video rank higher in YouTube search results. Now promote your video on all of your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't be shy to ask your friends and family in sharing your content as well. And last but certainly not least, it's time to monetize your video. This can be done by enabling ads on your video, but that's not all. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing are also fantastic ways to make money from your content. But here's the secret to making big bucks on YouTube. Use ChatGPT to help you find your niche, generate killer video ideas, and create top-notch content that will attract tons of viewers. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll be raking in $100 a day in no time. So what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and start living the YouTube dream.